Hey, what's up YouTube? M here, and today I'm going to be working on my 97 Mustang. We are going to be doing engine mounts along with the transmission mount. What I've noticed while driving the car and shifting gears, I can feel the engine and the transmission doing this kind of thing. That's not good. I had somebody put a clutch in this thing for me. I'm also going to check my bell housing bolts to the block and make sure they're not loose or falling out. Let's get to it. All right, now before I get started, I do want to go over my parts. This is the front left. This is a 2904. The front right is a 2905. My transmission mount part number here, 622784. Now the reason I went with this transmission mount is because it is the solid one. I looked up on pros and cons having a solid versus the actual rubber. I might feel more vibrations, but y'all think I'm gonna keep this 3.8 in here forever? No. Might as well get ready for it. All right, y'all, we're going down under. Let's see what we got. That don't look like it'll be too bad. I don't know, y'all can't. Yeah, so that's number one, engine mount. This one will be easiest to do, looks like so far. And then my trans mount back here. Get this crap out of here. I don't know, I think I'm gonna start with the trans mount. Yeah, let's start with the trans mount and then we'll do the engine mount. She nasty under here, guys, I know. I gotta fix this rack and pinion soon. I got a popping noise somewhere over here I gotta find. I'm not sure what it is. I think it might be up there, but I won't know until I start wiggling things. Alrighty guys, I've got my old transmission mount out and it's no longer attached on this side, and there's this big old chunk missing out of there. I don't know if y'all can see that, but and yeah, this one's a little bit taller. This one's worn out as crap. Let's get this new one in. And also, real quick, I wanted to mention, I stated that I bought a solid mount. No, this one's rubber as well. I must have misclicked or whatever. I thought I ordered a solid one, but I guess I didn't. So that part number from before, that is a OE replacement. All right, real quick, guys. You hear that? What is this thing? I found a new instrument. For real though, comment below. Tell me what the heck this little booger is. It's got something in it. All right, guys. Transmission mount is in and ready to rock and roll. Let's get these front tires off and pick an engine mount to do. I'm gonna probably do the passenger side because it looks easier. Let's get it. Real quick, guys, I just want to go over something with you guys. I have two different 12 or half-inch sockets here. This one here is a 12 point. This one here is a 6 point or 6-sided. You got 12 star, 6 star, 6-sided, blah blah. Anyway, if you're ever dealing with a 6-sided bolt, stop using your 12 points. Your 12 points are doing nothing but stripping them out. And like, why do they sell these? Why do they sell these anyway? I'm having trouble with my upper starter bolt here, and my 12 or my half and my 13 aren't grabbing it. The 12 points are just slipping. You got to use a 6-sided. Must be 6-sided. So this is what I'm talking about. This is my starter bolt. completely rounded. And that's because of people, me included. I'm not gonna sit here and knock everybody without knocking myself, me included, using 12 points on 6-sided bolts. It's why they get rounded. Again, why did they even invent the 12 point? Most companies aren't even using 12 point star heads on automobiles. Buying sockets that are 12 point for 6-sided bolts, it just doesn't make logical sense. This is what you end up with. Problems in the long run. Anyway, I got the starter out. I can get to the engine mount bolts on this side through the bottom. This engine mount's about to come out. We'll get the new one in, and then we'll start on the driver's side. All right, my rounded bolt I am replacing. Garbage. Oh no, I made it in my bolts bin without looking. I'm gonna replace it with this one, a Chrysler bolt. Ford bolts are shit. Ha 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 ha. Passenger side engine mount is out. It doesn't look like it's in bad shape, but why not replace it? All right, let's get the new one in. All right, guys. Passenger side is officially in. I just don't have the main connecting bolt on right now because I still got to pick up this side of the engine to get the driver's side one in. It's getting a little late, getting a little cold. I'll finish this thing up tomorrow. See you guys then. All right, guys, we're back out here. It is the next day. The frost is thawing off of the Mustang. Well, at least the parts that are in the sun. She's dripping. All right, let's finish this bad boy up. Let's get this starter back in and start removing the driver's side engine mount. All right, guys, I have both of them in. Let's go up underneath here and show you guys what we've got. Brand new shiny engine mount. Brand new shiny engine mount. I don't know if y'all can see that. I can't see. Yeah, it's in there. Trust me, it's in there. I cleaned the heat shield off too. I had to clean the heat shield off. And trans mount's in too. All I gotta do is get my batteries on. Those aren't batteries, those are tires. Oops. I gotta get my tires on, reconnect my battery, and let's take this sucker for a spin. Seat belt, god dang. All right, let's get this show on the road, y'all. Camera's not in a terrible spot. Well, that ain't good. I feel like my drive shaft is a little wobbly now. Oh man, bro, does she feel so much better though? Oh no. Better watch how I'm back now. Way wide. Okay, we're good. Yes, if you hear the pulley, I got a pulley up front that I need to replace. Keep the windows up just a little loud. You know how when you're in a manual and you just do this? I was saying my engine and trans were doing this, and it's a lot better now. I'm pretty sure it was just the trans mount was bad. Big old Ford. I like so far, I'm satisfied. Oh, she feels so much better. I need to check my trans fluid and shit. bucking and not knowing how to drive a 5-speed or a 6-speed or whatever. You know, some people just have improper clutch control. Heck, even I make that mistake every now and again, not all the time. And a 55. Come on, Lee. That's a new vibration in idle. But you give it some RPM, it goes away. Huh. Alright, I'll be back. Why are you vibrating at idle? That's weird. It's never vibrated like this before. But I can tell I have engine mounts. Very unhealthy, but so good. Greatest can of sugar I've ever had. Woo! Transmission mount success. Again, I'm proud of the work that I do, man. I'll get back to you guys on that vibration. I gotta figure out what the heck that is. But until next time, you guys stay tuned, stay fast.